Choosing the cadence of your abandoned cart emails is another decision that has no wrong answer. And here's why. If you're selling a $1,000 product, the decision cycle will likely be longer than selling a $30 blanket. That being said, there is a standard send cadence I have found to be successful. And here's what I recommend, at least to start. Send message 1 hour after abandonment and strike while the iron's hot. Remember, sending a message with a sense of urgency might be all that's needed to persuade them to complete their order. Send message 2 24 hours after abandonment. By this time, the customers had time to price shop and consider their purchase. And they may be dying to make the purchase, but they just need a nudge. Now it's time to close the deal. Send message 3 48 hours after abandonment. Here's where you pull out all the stops. If you're okay with incentivizing, do it now. Use a sense of urgency with your message copy. Showcase your value adds, such as free returns. And if they don't buy now, they might not buy at all. For this third message, I've seen it be successful up to 7 days post-abandonment. However, in most cases, the delay will be too long. Whatever your cadence, I recommend getting through the series in 5 days or less. And now comes the easy part, setting up your automation. Again, if you're using the right email marketing provider, you should be able to do this in about 5 minutes. Your automation workflow trigger will be when a user abandons their shopping cart. Simply insert your delay rules and messages, and you're good to go. Turn it on and watch the sales roll in and record your results. These will be your baseline metrics in which to compare any message adjustments to. Once you have your baselines, it'll be time to start optimizing your messages further. Let's discuss.